Howdy folks, it's Devin. I'm so excited because I just received a new pair of boots from one of my favorite brands, Trippen. They're called the Dizzy boots, and I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing together and share my initial impressions. This is not a sponsored video. I spent my own money, and I'm just a fan of the brand. I've been an admirer of Trippen for many years now. It all started when I stumbled across this pair of their mild boots at a thrift store in my size and like new condition. I was unfamiliar with the brand at the time, but instantly noted their unique look and amazing quality. So I purchased them. Well, that was the best $10 I've ever spent at a thrift store. And so began my love affair with Trippen. Before I get to the unboxing, I want to share a bit about Trippen's history and why I love their shoes. Trippen was founded in Berlin by Angela Spieth and Michael Uhler in 1991. They have managed to merge futuristic designs with timeless aesthetics. Many of their pieces look to me both archaic and space-age simultaneously, and I truly love that style juxtaposition. Trippen introduces their new collections on a biannual basis, spring, summer, and fall, winter. Each new design is carefully curated using the designer's specific leather and sole selections. Some are offered in these combinations for only a season, while others become part of their more permanent collection. Any shoe of their over 1,600 models they have ever designed can be ordered and customized to your bespoke preferences. I am a fan of Trippen not just for their design, but also their quality execution. All items are made by hand in Germany in their own production facility. I appreciate they are not outsourced to some factory in China. So let's see what these boots look like, folks. So why these Dizzy boots? Well, as soon as I saw them online, I gasped. They are unlike anything else I have in my collection. These Dizzy boots are part of the Happy collection and are in espresso laminated metallic leather with soles that Trippen has dubbed Happy in the maroon color. Their uniquely shaped chunky soles contrast with the slim and feminine but graphic uppers. The gorgeous neutral tone metallic leather gives them a naturalistic look and makes them a true statement piece. They have Western influences, which is an obvious selling point for me. They're like space Cowgirl boots. Wow, these Dizzy boots are even cooler in person than I was hoping that they'd be. They share the unparalleled quality that I've now come to expect from Trippen. I anticipate them becoming a wardrobe staple and look forward to exploring styling possibilities. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be showing you folks how I style these Dizzy boots. If you'd be interested in seeing more content on my Trippen collection, let me know in the comments and I'll make future videos. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me again in the desert.